What tools do you have in your kit bag? I'm going to rattle through 16 tools that I think are essential for any DIY's kit bag. If you've got any suggestions of other tools, let me know in the comments. A combi drill, in my opinion, is so versatile you can't not have one in your kit bag. From driving screws to drilling holes, a combi drill speeds up the whole project, and for that reason, they're an essential tool. A kit bag wouldn't be complete without a hammer. Now, I prefer the S-Wing for its design and comfort, but a hammer's a hammer. It doesn't matter which one you have, so long as it does the job. A Stanley knife is always handy, especially when you're cutting open parcels of new power tools or cutting silicone off around a bath. A knife that folds or retracts is a must, because the last thing you want to do is cut yourself when reaching into your bag. Whether you're putting together some IKEA furniture or fixing a kid's toy, a set of Allen keys is super useful. It also saves using the rubbish Allen key that's supplied with flat pack furniture. A mini pry bar or crowbar is a great addition to any kit bag. They're helpful for pulling nails out, or even lifting floorboards when your wife's dropped an earring through the floor. A combi square is so helpful for marking out pieces of wood or a tile ready for cutting. Being fully adjustable, you can mark things out with ease. They're also really helpful for beginners. They can mark 90 degrees around a piece of timber so they can cut it straight. Found in every kit bag is a set of screwdrivers. Grab yourself a posi set and a flathead set. When you need the finer touch, a screwdriver set works perfectly. It's not often that I need a hacksaw, but it's so handy keeping a junior hacksaw in the kit bag for those times when you need to cut an old nail or a piece of copper pipe. A hacksaw is also great for cutting copper pipe for those essential plumbing jobs. I recommend keeping 2 pairs of adjustable spanners in your kit bag because you'll often need 2 pairs, especially when you're holding a fitting and tightening a nut. You don't have to buy an expensive pair because they all do the same job. The only difference is one might last that little bit longer. I'd suggest getting 3 types of pliers. Get a pair of wire cutters, needle jaw and lockjaw pliers. This will allow you to do a variety of tasks. It's good practice to have 2 sets of chisels, one set for demolition work and general abuse, and the other set for fine joinery like chopping out a hinge, when you can guarantee there's no hidden surprises that will damage the chisel. Also, the demolition set can be quickly rough sharpened with some sandpaper or a grinder. Pencils, you can never have too many. Throw a bunch in your kit bag and scatter them around while you're working. That way you'll never lose one again and you'll never be too far from one. If you've got a combi drill, you need a set of screwdriver attachments and a drill bit set to go along with it. You can even get longer screwdriver bits and magnetic attachments so you can work more hands-free. For those plumbing jobs, a pair of grips can be really handy. You may not need them that often, but when you need them you'll thank me they're there. A boat level or 2-foot level is great to keep handy because they're so useful putting up pictures or shelves, and no one likes a wonky shelf. Tape measures always take a beating, so it's always worth keeping a couple spare in your kit bag. Tape measures wear out over time, so for that reason, and because you can never have too many tapes, I've got 3 in my kit bag. Now you know what tools you need in your kit bag, how many are you missing? Now before you go and check out this video next. If you're not yet subscribed, why aren't you? Subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.